Welcome to the first official video that I'm filming in the new studio. If you haven't been paying attention, Casey Neistat moved to California and I took over half of his office. A full studio tour is coming, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. As you can see, the room that I'm standing in is relatively empty. Thankfully, LG, who's the sponsor of today's video, came through with an epic 65-inch OLED. We're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Oh, that is a good feeling. Can't forget this one. That's like barely a sticker. Okay, now that we got the TV set up, I just want to quickly mention how thin this thing is. It does have a base, which you can see, but the actual screen, the display itself is really incredibly thin. I mean, look at this. That is my finger. It is, wow. Okay, let's turn the LG OLED on. Yes, it's booting. Wow, so I've never seen this before, but this remote has a scroll wheel? That is insane. Whoa, I did not know this TV had this. It has a pointer, like a little laser pointer for the remote. That is crazy. This 65-inch LG OLED looks absolutely incredible. 8.3 million individually self-lighting pixels gives this LG OLED perfect black levels, infinite contrast, and no light bleed. This LG OLED has the ability to render more than 1 billion colors, which, based on what I've seen so far, delivers accurate, vibrant hues. I also am really digging these ultra lifelike sort of screensavers that I downloaded. Genuinely looks like a giant picture frame. Also, definitely worth mentioning, the viewing angles on this LG OLED are mind-blowing. You can really be anywhere and there is really no color degradation. Here, I'll even show you with the camera. So keeping everything the same brightness levels everywhere you look. Also, major shouts to LG for including this adapter so you can play your retro console games on something like this. And if you were curious, there are 2 USB-A ports and an HDMI back here, and then another USB-A port and 3 HDMIs right there. Notice how thin the bezels are on this LG OLED. And to show you just how deep these blacks are, I'm gonna go back. You see the bezels? Ready? I'm gonna go back and the bezels just disappear, blending right into the LG OLED itself. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the LG OLED, specifically the C9 model. I now have incredible 4K at 65 inches right here in the studio. Again, thank you to LG for sponsoring and decking out the studio with this amazing piece of tech. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.